Welcome back guys. In Python today we have a quick example. So let's try to create a digital clock. Let's do it together in a 2 minutes. Let's start. The first we import the library that we want from Tkinter. Import everything. And from Tkinter.tk import also everything and import time. Now we create a variable named clock equal tk, call our Tkinter library, the title clock.title like ds clock. Now we create a function. It's named ds. Create variable v equal time.trf time. Call hour, minute, and second. Hour I for 12 system, and if you want 24 system, you should write like this: hour, percentage, minute, and percentage s. Now let's create just this part and we backplate. Create variable called label that's separate from label function that is observed in Python, and label that are saved in Python. Create our variable clock font ds very small because it's a font you should write as it is digital 18 because the font needs to be great. Here comma background, let's be black from background, let's be chain. Here called label variable that we create to that will be center of our Tkinter page. Now we will continue in our function that we create, or label that we create, what's confined is equal v label.after 100 and all our function ds to be in loop. Now we will call the main loop and call our function that we create ds here to work. Let's work our code. As we see, we have a clock in second, minute, hour. We change to 24 system. Let's just here change I to h. As you see, it's be 24 system, and if we want to call a date, also insert percentage logo, and here percentage d for day. Let's work our code, run it. Sorry, here I forget it for month. As we see the clock and date. This is our digital clock with a date. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel to write video in a long range. Thank you so much. See you soon.